Welcome to my channel. How to set up TP-Link range extender RE450 via WPS. 1. Start by plugging in your TP-Link RE450. Choose a power outlet near your main router for the initial setup. Make sure the extender gets proper power. 2. Wait for the power LED to turn solid. The device takes a few seconds to boot up. Once the LED is stable, you can start the process. 3. Locate the WPS button on your main Wi-Fi router. Every router has a WPS button, usually on the front panel, side, or back. This button helps you connect devices without entering passwords. 4. Press the WPS button on your router. Hold it for 2 to 3 seconds until the WPS light or icon starts blinking. This means the router is ready to pair. 5. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on your RE450. Go to your extender and press its WPS button. The WPS LED will start blinking, showing it is trying to connect with your router. 6. Wait for the connection to complete. After a few seconds, the RE450 Wi-Fi LED will turn solid blue. This confirms a successful WPS connection between the extender and router. 7. Once connected, move the extender to a better location. Unplug the extender and place it halfway between your router and the area where your Wi-Fi signal is weak or dead. 8. Check the Smart Signal Indicator LED. The RE450 has a signal LED that shows if the location is good. Green, blue light, strong signal. Orange, red light, weak signal. Try moving it closer to the router. 9. Connect your devices to the extended network. Look for your network name with _ext at the end. Connect your phone, laptop, or smart devices to this boosted network. 10. Test the extended Wi-Fi network. Open your browser or use a speed test app to confirm that your internet is working smoothly with better coverage. Thanks for watching.